Did you know that the paralegal profession is consistently listed in the top 5 by the U.S. Bureau of Labor? Earning a paralegal degree can land you a job in law firms, courts, governmental agencies, corporations, banks, and insurance companies. The possibilities are endless. Did you know that Holmes Community College has a reputable paralegal program that results in an Associate of Applied Science degree? Or that Holmes offers classes throughout the year in a variety of methods, day, night, online, hybrid, or a combination, whatever fits your schedule. I bet you didn't know that all paralegal students who pass legal research at Holmes graduate with a Westlaw certification, or that a high percentage of the paralegal students at Holmes are Phi Theta Kappa members, or that Holmes prepares its students for a national certification exam and we have a passing rate higher among recent graduates than the national average. You may be interested in knowing that Holmes has a legal club, the Holmes Association of Legal Students. And this club holds monthly educational meetings and participates in campus events and community service projects and state associational activities, and is affiliated with the National Association of Legal Assistants. But most important to know about Holmes Community College paralegal graduates, we get jobs. We have graduates working in law firms, police departments, administrative agencies, banks, corporations, and insurance companies. Come join us at Holmes Community College, your path to success.